eastern region, a land where their ancestors were blessed, rich, strong. They had good fertile land, rich culture and tradition. Obollo-Afor, the land of lions, the land where lions and lionesses walk freely all over the place without hindrance. They had an ancestor, Olenyi Dedobe, a warrior, strong, brave, and a courageous hunter. He killed an elephant. Till date, every Obollo sons and daughters see themselves as lions and lionesses. History has it that in the olden days, their ancestors morphed into lions. Follow me as I walk you down to Obollo as they celebrate their cultural festival, Akatakpa Obollo, marking the event of the celebration of their New Yam Festival, Obollo. Today is a unique day in their lives. They believe their ancestors are with them. They celebrate their unique cultural diversity, which is second to none. Through their display of different kinds of masquerades, their cultural dance, their styles of chanting to appease their ancestors.